In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill a shape with color using Canva. If you've ever felt stumped by the intricacies of design or simply want to bring more life into your projects, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid mastery of using Canva's color tools to make your designs pop. So let's get started. First, head over to canva.com. You'll notice a login button in the upper right hand corner of the home page. Click on that and you'll be prompted to sign in. You can choose to log in using your Google account, Facebook or email, whichever is most convenient for you. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself at your personal Canva dashboard. Next, you'll want to pick the project you plan to work on. Navigate through your saved designs or start a new one. Once you have your project on the screen, scan your design for the shape you want to transform with color. Simply click on the shape of your choice to select it. With your shape selected, direct your attention to the editor toolbar just below the main design area. Here, you'll find several tools and options. Among these is the color swatch option, usually displayed as a small colored tile. Click on this. As you click on the color tile, a palette of colors will appear. You'll see the document colors, which are the ones already used in your current design, along with any brand colors you've saved. You'll also have general color suggestions that Canva thinks might suit your project well. Choose your color from these options. However, if none of these colors appeal to you, don't worry, there's a solution for that. Below the given colors, you'll notice an Add a New Color button. Clicking on this option will open a new tool, the Color Picker. This allows you to explore an even wider spectrum of shades, giving you the freedom to find the exact hue you desire. Once you've picked your perfect color, select it. You'll see it immediately applied to the selected shape, integrating beautifully into your design. To add a dynamic touch, consider using gradients instead of solid colors. Gradients can add depth and a more visually appealing effect, contributing to a professional look. Choose from the preset gradient options to give your design that extra edge. So there it is, not only have you learned how to fill a shape with color in Canva, but you've also explored how to add custom shades and dynamic gradients. Armed with these tools, your designs will always stand out. Thanks for watching and happy designing.